Your flower mound backyard is a beautiful space to enjoy year-round, whether it's for relaxing evenings with family, entertaining guests, or simply appreciating the natural beauty of your surroundings. But once the sun sets, the charm of your backyard can be hidden in the dark. That's where landscape lighting comes in. With the right lighting, you can enhance your backyard's ambiance, highlight your favorite features, and extend the usability of your outdoor space into the evening hours. Choosing the right landscape lighting for your flower mound backyard requires a balance of aesthetics, functionality, and energy efficiency. With a little thought and planning, you can create a beautiful, inviting space that's as enjoyable at night as it is during the day. Here's how to choose the best landscape lighting for your backyard. Determine your lighting goals. The first step in selecting the best lighting for your flower mound backyard is to decide what you want to achieve with the lighting. Landscape lighting can serve multiple purposes, including highlighting features. Do you have a beautiful garden, pond, or architectural features like trees, shrubs, or sculptures that you want to showcase? Accent lighting is a great way to draw attention to these features. Safety and security. If you have pathways, stairs, or dark corners that could be hazardous at night, pathway lighting or motion sensor lights can help make your backyard safer and more accessible. Ambiance. For creating a cozy atmosphere for outdoor dining or entertaining, consider soft, warm lighting that sets the mood without being overpowering. String lights, deck lights, or wall-mounted lanterns can help create a relaxed and inviting vibe. By clarifying your goals, you can narrow down the types of lighting you'll need to achieve the perfect balance of style and functionality. Consider different types of landscape lighting. There are several types of landscape lighting options, each serving a specific purpose in your backyard design. Pathway lights. These lights are designed to illuminate walkways, driveways, and garden paths, providing both safety and beauty. Place them at regular intervals along your paths to ensure they light up the way without being too harsh. Spotlights and floodlights. Spotlights are ideal for highlighting a focal point such as a tree, fountain, or sculpture. Floodlights cast broader light and are great for illuminating larger areas. These are perfect for adding drama or enhancing specific features of your garden. String lights. If you're looking to create a relaxed, cozy ambiance, string lights are an excellent choice. Hang them above your patio, around fences, or in trees for a soft, twinkling glow that makes your backyard feel magical. Deck and step lights. For added safety around stairs or to highlight the deck area, deck lights are a must. These small lights are typically mounted on the edges of your deck or steps to provide low, ambient light that doesn't overpower the space. Bollard lights. These standalone lights are perfect for lining pathways or garden beds, giving off a consistent and modern glow. They are ideal for larger backyards or if you want to create a more contemporary look. Solar-powered lights. If you're looking for an eco-friendly option, solar-powered lights are a great way to light up your backyard without adding to your energy bill. They charge during the day and automatically turn on at night. Choose the right lighting fixtures. The style and material of your lighting fixtures play an important role in the overall look of your flower mound backyard. Consider the existing design and landscaping of your outdoor space to ensure the fixtures complement your surroundings. Some fixture styles to consider include modern and sleek. If you have a contemporary garden or patio, go for clean lines and metallic finishes like stainless steel or brushed nickel. Rustic. If your backyard has a more natural, earthy feel, you might prefer copper or bronze fixtures that develop a lovely patina over time. Traditional. For a more classic look, lantern-style lights or vintage-style fixtures work well with homes that have a timeless appeal. Also, be sure to choose fixtures that are weather-resistant to withstand the Texas climate, which can include rain, high winds, and intense sun. Consider energy efficiency. Landscape lighting can add a lot to the beauty and functionality of your flower mound backyard, but it can also increase your energy costs if you're not careful. To keep your lighting both stylish and affordable, consider these energy-saving options. LED lights. LED lights are highly energy efficient, long-lasting, and come in a variety of styles. They use less power while providing the same brightness as traditional bulbs, making them a great option for your outdoor space. Solar lighting. Solar-powered lights are perfect for homeowners who want to save on electricity. These lights absorb sunlight during the day and automatically turn on at dusk. They're easy to install since they don't require wiring, and they're environmentally friendly. Timers and sensors. Installing timers or motion sensors can help you control when your lights turn on and off, so you're not wasting energy when the lights aren't needed. For example, motion sensor lights along your paths can illuminate only when someone is nearby, conserving energy during quiet hours. Create layers of light. Just like interior lighting, landscape lighting should have layers for the most beautiful effect. Combine different types of lighting, such as ambient, accent, and task lighting, to create depth and interest in your outdoor space. For example, use ambient lighting like string lights or soft path lights to create a welcoming atmosphere. Spotlights or floodlights can highlight focal points, and task lighting like step or deck lights can ensure safety in high-traffic areas. Plan for maintenance. Finally, don't forget to plan for maintenance. Like all outdoor features, landscape lighting needs some upkeep to ensure it continues to function correctly. Regularly clean the fixtures to remove dirt, leaves, or debris that might block the light, and check the bulbs periodically to replace any that have burned out. Conclusion. Transform your backyard with the right lighting. Choosing the right landscape lighting for your flower mound backyard will not only enhance the beauty of your outdoor space but also improve safety and extend the use of your yard after dark. By carefully considering the types of lighting, fixtures, and energy-efficient options available, you can create a backyard that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you're hosting evening gatherings, enjoying quiet moments alone, or simply wanting to enhance the view of your garden, landscape lighting is the key to creating a magical and welcoming outdoor atmosphere.